And there are two teams in front of us. One team name is the Leopard and the team name is Precious. And as you know that our motto, our mission, our target is work. Just build the confidence of a student, nothing else. Similar here, there are two teams in front of us. They played one before. Now they are playing the second one debate here. First debate, did you win?
Yes, sir.
Did you win or tie? You really don't know. What the result? We don't know until now. It will be announced today. Don't worry. And before I start debate, I got to call judges. Great, intelligent, marvelous, tripping, outstanding, far-fetched. Now, be hang on. Miss Sakina and Sir Sean. Have a big hand for them. Good. Very, very good. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. They gave us a precious time. I'm really thankful to them. Now, guys, as I said before, what is the motto of WLP student? Can you tell me that? Of course you're right. Build the confidence. Nothing else. We are doing this program for just building the confidence of a student. The same is here. Now, in front of us, the new, nice, marvelous baby. No, sorry, Baba. Because he is the student now, Sir Wazim Ali. And do you know whom is from my? Same is here. Sir Wazim Ali student here. And now I'm gonna call the great, smart, intelligent, Baba. Now he will take the debate. Now you can see it. Within now 2 months, how he got this kind of change. Now I'm gonna call. Be ready, Mr. or yeah, Mr. or Master? It's a Mr. Mr. Abdul Qadir. Have a big hand for him. How are you? Are you ready for taking debate?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Of course, sir.
May I go?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now there are two juries, stand left and shall I start? Who are first to start? You and they. Who? You start.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, benevolent, merciful. Nothing is yours, nothing is mine, each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, operator, generator of this beautiful cosmos. First of all, I would like thanks to my greatest Allah, then Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and our future friends Sir Wazim Ali, my all friends, my teachers, Assalamu alaikum. My team name is Precious. My team introduce themselves.
My name is Ikra. Our team name is Precious.
My name is Fauzia and our team name is Precious.
My name is Alina and I'm the leader of this team and our team name is Precious.
My name is Navish. I am students of WLP. My topic is money is most important.
Money is most important.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, operator, generator of this beautiful world. then Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him, then my parents, my respectable friends, my respectable teacher, and my who made me able to speak, walk and learn. I am very thankful to all, and I say Assalamu alaikum all.
My name is Mohammad Mehroz and my team name is Leopards, and I am a leader of this team. And
My name is Mohsin Khan. I am a student of WL.
my name is Farhan.
My name is Daniel.
My name is Mohammad Ali. I am a student of WLP.
Yeah, you take a point.
How can you say that the money is not important? Love is important in this life.
How can you say that money is not important? Love is important of this life.
Money is most important for us. But sorry. Love
That's
is-
really good. Money is most important for us.
They accept that the money is most important. So what I can say, I just want to say that the love is nothing in this
No,
era.
I continue.
Money
I
is
continue.
everything.
I am not accept.
Money is everything in
One by one,
nowadays. Money is everything nowadays. Love is nothing.
Money is important nowadays. Love is nothing.
How can you say that love is nothing and money is important?
How can you say that love is important and money is nothing?
You can see in the world what is going on. Money, money, money. Everyone wants money in the world. Everyone needs money.
That's really good. Everyone needs the money.
Everyone need money, and by means of this there is a lot of killing and kidnapping and other things by means of money.
That's a kidnapping. Other killing by the means of money. Great.
Great point.
Yeah,
It is importance of money because everybody wants money. That's
It
why.
is importance of money. That's why everybody wants money. Yeah, you.
Everybody wants money. This means kill one another.
Everybody wants money. It's mean kill another. You.
It means that the love is not important, money is important. Love going to kill to each other is show that the love is not important in this era. Money is important. That's why people kill to each other by means of money.
That's really good. You can kill each other by the means of money.
Excuse me, my sister, you cannot purchase the heart from money, but you win the heart in love.
You not purchase the money. You can love by heart. Yeah.
When are you hungry, you eat love. When are you thirsty, you drink heart.
Whenever you thirsty, you drink love. Yeah. You.
Whenever we are thirsty, we drink water. Why? Because we love ourselves. That's why we drink water.
How can you buy the water?
How can you buy the water? Yeah.
Why did I want water?
Why did you want water?
You go to shop to purchase water, then you drink the water.
First of all, I choose
One
water.
by one. Yeah, you
Choose water. Just you go to shop, give the money, purchase water, then
Why
you drink
I
water.
purchase?
One by one.
Why I purchase?
Yeah.
Dear, it's all around the show that without money you can't check it. The water is mean that the money is important.
Money is important. Everything you purchase by virtue of
But
money.
if I met the shopkeeper gave me water on free.
He say if I love the shopkeeper love the
You say that you go to shop and say that I love you, shopkeeper, give me the water. He give you.
You
Have
give
you
the
lost it?
shopkeeper. You go the shopkeeper. You say I love you. He give you. Yeah or not?
My dear friend, I think you lost your mind.
That's it. Whoever. Whoever.
My dear friend, I am not going to shopkeeper and not purchase the water. I have a big rivers and seaports and get the water.
He's not go on princess and he is that.
Money makes us king and love makes us killer.
Oh, money makes us king and love makes us killer.
Excuse me, you have a lot of money. Do you know? You have a lot of money. The police are killed you and your life is not safe.
You have a lot of money and bullies are killed you. That's really good.
If you just have a lots of love, you can live your life easily.
You have just only love. You have kind of our life easily. Yeah, you.
Yes, we can live easily because everyone love us and they care of us.
Yes, he live easily and everyone care us.
You eat love.
Oh, you eat love or not? You eat love.
You can live without money. You can survive your life.
You can survive your life. One. Yeah, you.
Yes, we can survive our life.
How can you survive your life?
One by one, one by one, one by one. How can you survive our life without money? Tell me.
Because we go to anyone's home and said, and if our relation with him is lovely, then he care us and give us food.
Or how can you buy the food?
How can
With
you?
money.
How can you buy the food?
We don't have to buy because we go to our neighbor and he love us and he give us
Neighbor
food.
buy with the money.
One by one, one by one. What's going on there? Neighbors are one. Neighbor, buy the love, not money. You. Anyone? One. Yeah, you.
Excuse me, my dear friend, as you know very well, in the village there are a lot of loves and adoration and adoration. All people have a love, but not target killing. In the city, all people run the money and all time target killing. What
That's
is
really good. In the village, there's a lot of love and don't have money. That's why in the village there is no target killing. Who is break the ice? Yeah, miss.
They say that the target killing going on in villages. Tell me the one thing you're talking about the village. In village, cropping, farming, doing the farmers because by mean of money earn money. That's why we say that money is important, not love.
That's really good. He said, he pharmacing everything he said and by the virtue of our money.
every 4 to 5 months before, as you see the watching and the newspaper, one people killed her wife. Why?
One people killed of her wife. Why? Tell him.
There, you say that killed wife.
Kill wife. Listen to me, listen to
Prove
me.
that money is important, relationship is not.
Excuse me.
Money is important, relation is not.
I said to you, kill the wife because then his wife have a lot of money and he need a money. He need a money and kill the wife and take the money. What is this?
You see,
Money is
one
apple of
by
discard.
one.
Excuse me, money is apple of discard.
One by one, bro, one by one.
You said here
Yeah, you-
against point by your own self. If the person kills the wife kills his husband or whatever, it means that the loving nation, wife and husband love is nothing by mean of money. Money is important, that's why he killed
By mean
wife.
of money, he killed
Excuse
our
me, my
life,
sister, I
our
said to you,
wife.
I think he loved her wife, then not kill the wife. Love is important.
He's saying love is important. Yeah,
Love.
another, yeah, you.
When are you born? Until you marry, you need money, not live love.
And whenever you are born, you eat money, not love. Yeah, anyone?
You cannot win your father and mother heart, but with love you can everybody heart.
You cannot live our father and mother heart. You everybody love for our mother and father. Yes, you.
If you love with your parents, but you are not earning money, one day your parents say, you can get out our house because you are not earning money. You are fruitless.
Can your father say that?
Excuse me. Your father and mother, why you develop and why you give the better fruits and better clothes and better all things? Why?
Why your father give you better clothes, better education? Why?
Because he give you better food, better education. By this, you can earn money and give him.
By the mean of you earn money and give you.
But your father spend your money and not value his money, just value his love.
And your father spends your money and love. Yeah, you.
My father earned money. He keep in home and just give you love.
Why father earn money? He
Because
keep
money is
our pocket
important.
and
Without
love.
money, father can't buy the children's clothes and whatever.
Why?
Father earn money because he love you and he want to survive you.
Father earns money, that's why he loves you and he supports you. And you will, yeah, you. If we don't have a money, so how we buy ice cream? Yeah, if we don't have a money, so how we buy ice cream? Tell us. How? 1, 2.
Excuse me. Ice cream, you want ice cream. That's proof you love the ice cream.
You want ice cream, that's why. Yeah, you.
It's totally mean that the love need to express money.
It's totally their love means it's trusted money. Who can hear you?
I mean we can purchase anything but no purchase the love.
I purchase everything. You purchase everything, but you are not purchase the love.
Why you use it in your mobile? Say to mobile.
Sorry.
Why you use it in your mobile? Say to mobile.
Why you is it not your mobile? Say your
According to
mobile.
you, it will be recharged because you.
Because you. That's really good.
Because you say what is important. But if you say these things to educated person, he will say, have you lost it?
That's really good. He is saying to you why you are not as it not to our mobiles. That's why our mobile. Who is answered him? I don't know what to say again. Say again.
Money as essential as heart in life.
Money as essential is heart in life. Life. L-I-F-E life. Yes, sir? Anyone? What?
But money is apple of the sky.
Man?
Because one man got to the protest and take the money gangster and with blast material and blast and kill the all people. What is this?
You give the money and he is targeted and he is bomb blast and he killed the people. Whoever. Yeah, you miss.
Target killing is the target killing in the crowd. A lot of parents, a lot of children, a lot of sons, a lot of daughters in the crowd. But they don't care about that because love is nothing, money is important, that's why he's blasting on that.
Even the crowd, a lot of parents, a lot of things. That's why it's mean of levels. Not nothing and money is everything.
I will say always money is not important, just love is important.
He's saying always money is not important and love is important. Yeah, miss.
Okay, dear friends, tell me the one person name. Without money, they give us success in his life.
Tell her one person name. He don't have money and he have success life. Tell. Yeah, tell. One. Yeah.
An American person whose name is Michael William Jeff. He is a very poor man. He has no mother and no father. But he survived to his 73 of age. He has no money but love of people. That's why he survived.
He's talking about America. You know the America rules? If America, in the America old ages, the America give the priority money to him to survive the thing. If the old age person doesn't give the money to government, so how he buy the food and survive his life nowadays?
That's really good. Clap for him.
Government gave money to old agers because government love the old agers.
Government give the money old agers because he love the old agers. Yeah, you.
Tell me one question. If you want to go America, what you need? Passport and visa. How can you brought passport and visa? With the money. You go airport and say, I have a lot of love with you. Please send me America. You can go. No. And you can go.
You go on America and everywhere.
Why you want to go on America? America is non-Muslim country. You want?
America is non-Muslim country.
Why you are talking America?
Stand up, that's one by one. Yes,
But why you are talking America? First you say, then I say.
I am talking, but not love America.
First you talk, then I talk.
Why are you talking about
I am just talking, but not love America and
But I am just
not
talking.
want to going.
I am
Yes,
just
one by
talking.
one.
I have a
Yes,
question.
yes, one by one. Yeah. Why are you
Excuse
talking?
me, sir. I said
Yeah.
I am just talking to America, but I want not going to America. America is non-Muslim country.
He is only talking and he is not going. America is non-Muslim country, yeah. Another.
He say money is not important. Love is important. Show me your wallet. Show me your wallet.
Money is not important, love is important. Show you our money.
Your wallet.
Show our wallet. Show our wallet.
I have the
Why?
Why?
money is need for us, but better is
One
love.
by one. What?
Money is need for us, but better is love.
That's
Not
the only
better
word.
is money.
My pocket is not money.
One by one. You know the time is break and everywhere you go, you are carrying the car and you break our car. You know the very good. The time is the break.
सर, इस क्वालिटी का माल देंगे तो हमें नुकसान होगा।
नुकसान नहीं, बस थोड़ा मुनाफा कम होगा। दूसरी और हम थोड़ी सी इज्जत।
जो वाइटल पीते हैं कुछ ऐसे जीते हैं। वाइटल, इससे अच्छी चाय अब शायद ना आए।
वाइटल पियो, जिंदगी जियो।
आपकी बहू नजर नहीं आ रही?
आती होगी। आप सुनाएं, कैसा है आपका नया दामाद?
फुल मेरी बेटी के कंट्रोल में।
अच्छा, और आपका बेटा?
फुल बीवी के फेवर में।
आंटी, एक बार बहू को दामाद जैसी इज्जत देकर देखें, सब कुछ आपके फेवर में हो जाएगा।
जो वाइटल पीते हैं कुछ ऐसे जीते हैं। वाइटल, इससे अच्छी चाय अब शायद ना आए।
वाइटल पियो, जिंदगी जियो।
Debate is very fantastic going on. Let's see what happens after break.
Debate is good. Debate is good. Yeah, first who are in the break? You.
Love is important for our life. Our life. We can get everything.
Love is important for our life. We can get everything for love. Yeah. Money talks. Money talks. Bullshit folks. Yeah, whoever. Yeah, of course you.
You said me. Money is important, but so can you purchase the love of father, love of mother, love of brother?
Tell him money is important. You purchase our brother. You purchase parents.
You go to shop, purchase the mobile. What you pay?
I love the mobile.
What you pay? Love.
One by one.
Not money.
One by one. Yes,
You pay love, not money.
Excuse me.
You pay them
Go
what
to the
money?
market and go to the shop, mobile shop, and you first attack the mobile. That's proof you love the mobile. Only one shop.
But I have a money, then I will come in market. Without money, we
Excuse
cannot
me.
go.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
If you have a money, so you come market without not.
that is money. Okay, but he is not available face of Qaid Azam. Why?
That's money and
his
it's
money,
not available of face of guy.
this money is useless because Qaid Azam face is most important. That's proof I love the Qaid Azam.
Good job.
Of the Qaid-e-Azam, but it's most important that you express your love to anybody. If you love your mom, so you go to your mom and it's more to that you give. We express our love to give the gift to anybody. If my friend is there and I give and she said, I know that you love me a lot. Love need expressions to money. The anything who express by the mean of something that it's not important in our life very much.
That's really good. And yes, Akani, you are sleeping. Clap for him.
As you very well know, that people spend lakh rupees and go to the Saudi Arabia. Why? Because perform the Hajj. But do not know that Hajj is accept and not accept. But you see the mother and loving eyes accept the Hajj.
And you go. Yeah.
If he can go without money, Saudi Arabia, no. First he
Excuse me.
purchase the money,
One by
then
one,
he
one by
will
one.
go for performing Hajj.
If you have money, so you go and performing Hajj, yeah, you. Of course.
We go to perform Hajj because we love our Allah. That's why we go to perform Hajj.
They go to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whoever. Yeah, you.
Money mega successful before se Sarvazi money.
Money makes
Money without money you are bigger.
money is most important for our life. Without money, you are a beggar.
I want one question for you.
Yeah.
Sir Wasim Ali is invest the rupees, many rupees. For example, purchase the handicap. This is very expensive, and arrange the area. Why?
Why Sarvasim is there and around the area? Why? No anyone. Yeah, of course.
Last point, I show you that the love need expressed to money. Sir, by the handicap, by mean of money, sir, by the arrangement, by mean of money. It's show that the money is important.
So by the handicap, by the mean of money.
Sir, why invest the money and
love is need.
One by
money
one
is important.
excuse me, as you know, in the Karachi there are a lot of rich men, and rich men go to the Salani Welfare Trust and Ghazi Welfare Trust and legal foundation. Why? And spend the money and take the love poor pupils. Why?
In the Pakistan, there are a lot of people, rich men, and they make a Ghazi Welfare Trust and other.
How can he survive? How can he travel that places?
How can
By mean of cars, petrols, money. It means that the love need expressed to money, and it's show that the money is important rather than love.
How can you traveling there? Petrol, another, if you take a petrol, so yeah, it means that money, yeah.
Money is also important for us, but there is love is more than important than money. That's why we love poor people. That's why we go to these welfare trusts and spend money for poor people because we love poor people.
Money is better for us, but love is good and good for us. Yeah, you.
Money is precious thing in our life. Without money, we are just.
Money is precious thing of our life. Without money, we are nothing. 1, 2.
People want every dad things because they love them, and you're said to me like the money. This proves this. You love money, not father and mother love.
You love money, not father or our parents.
Yeah, of course. I love my mother, my father, but they have a money. That's why I love.
We love for our parents by the mean of money. Yeah, of course.
Why you keep money?
Why you keep money?
Because you love money. That's why you keep money in your pocket.
Why you keep money?
Money parents also love you. So parents, why give you money?
Parents also love you, that's why parents give you money.
Because parents love us, that's why parents give us money.
Because parents love us and that's why give us money. Yeah.
I show one something that it's I survey to the society where we are living. Everybody, 86% say give the reasons why they love money, why they prefer the money is important. I give the signature, and the 1%, it means that the 16% say that the love is important, and the 86% say that the money is important. Now tell me that we are fighting in our society topic. Our society says that the money is important, or love expressed to need the money. It means that the money is graceful and money is important. I have a proof.
Money is not important because, as you know very well, the Leila and Majnu. Yes, this is true. Leila is a poor family, belong to poor family, and Majnu is the rich man family. But Leila is the love to the poor man and ignore the rich man. Why? That's true. Money is not important. Love is important.
Tell me what is the meaning of love? What is love?
Tell me what is the definition of love? No, anyone? Yeah.
We care of anyone and we like this, that is love.
We care everyone and we like of everyone. That is love. Yeah.
How can you express your love? Without money, you can't express your love. Because if you have money, then you can express your love. Anybody, if you have not money, everybody hate you because you are poor.
You said you have a money, you purchase all things. Excuse me, my mother was dead at your age. I have a lot of money, but I bring my mother in money.
Your mother is that. This is the rule of life that's going on in everybody. But who person have a money, they buy the things of life, and he happy in life because of money.
In every person buy anything because of money.
But you have a love in heart. You pray the all persons. But you have a money. Money is useless.
Money is useless. No one is. Yeah.
No, money is not useless. You are wrong. If you have not money, you are useless.
You are wrong. Money is useless, not useless.
When we will not love, so many is usually for us because when we love these items, for example, I am a boy, I want a bike. This is proof I love bike. After then I will be from bike. So purchase the bike.
That's everybody is
love
is
most important.
You are get education without money? How?
You are get education with love money? Yeah.
Yes.
Sit down. Sit down.
From money, human can buy everything, but he can't buy love and good and habits.
Everything you buy and you don't buy are habits. Yeah.
It's your fantasy. Without money, we cannot do anything.
It's your fantasy. Without money, you can anything. Anyone? Anyone?
As you know very well, the religion of madrasas and mosques. The education give all students only free of cost, not take the money.
The mosques, masjid is get the money. Yeah.
Money is breath of our life.
What? Sorry.
Money is breath of our life.
Money is birth of our life. Say, anyone? 1, 2, of course.
He said that there are many madrasas and mosques in which education given to students free of cost. Why? Because the madrasas management love Islam. That's why he gave free of cost Islamic education.
In this Pakistan, there's a lot of madrasas, and he give you education free. Yeah.
You say that there are lots of institutes that are in the Pakistan, the free teaching, educating. But tell me one thing: in institute, government gave the money to teach them easily and freely. Okay, government gave the money. That's why he teaching to few people freely and no pay the money.
Government give the that's why. Last point.
This means government love poor people. That's why government give money to these institutions.
That's round about one by one. Whoever 3% come and fight together. First who? Yeah, of course you come here. And in this precious who come.
Without money, you cannot survive life.
I think money is not important for love.
How can you say money is not important? You can buy clothes without money. You can buy shoes without money. No.
First you say and I'll say one by one.
Actually, money is not important because love is important. You have a love of clothes that can purchase the clothes.
But how can you buy the clothes with the money? If you have not money, you cannot express your money. You cannot buy clothes.
I am not said you. Money is need for us. Money is need for us, but
if money is need for you, that's why
little money is need for us, and a lot of
you
money.
accept that money is important. Money is important. You accept.
I am not accept.
You need money. That's why it
as you know, the rich man has a lot of money, and rich man look down the poor man. Why? That's proof the money
If he has not money, then he cannot express our love.
Sorry?
Money is important.
Money is not important, as you know very well. The rich man have a lot of money, and
you can't express your love. That's why money is important. I am listening you and I am answering you.
I said the rich man have a lot of money, but the rich man look down the poor man. Why? Answer me.
He express your love without money.
He have not look down in the people.
Because he have money.
Thank you. The second person. Whoever come from there, yeah. And this team.
Start.
Money is most important in our life. How important love?
Money and go and come and go and come, but love is one time and one.
My dear brother, it's your fantasy. Without money, tell me in this world, without money, one word possible.
Speak up.
How possible? In this world, without money, one word.
In this world, without money, one person to another person can.
Your thinking is wrong.
I am not thinking that.
Thinking is wrong. Love is very important.
Where is
Understand?
love? Where is love?
Love. My big brother, my love. My big brother and my small brother. Yes. Proof.
How you can say?
You prove money is important. You prove.
Yeah, I am coming here. Money.
No, coming here. Prove me, please. Come again. Fast go. Because you love English.
No, I am not loving English. I am learning.
You love money.
Listen.
You love money. You mean love is money.
one by one. First is Akhri, then is Yavis.
I'm coming here learning English. Buy me of money.
10, 9, start.
Because I need money. I need money.
Love is very important. My mother need love and father need love. You, money is love. Okay, understand? Yes. You accept. You accept.
Last person.
You cannot bring money in your game.
Speak up. Speak up.
But your love with anyone can be the source of your success after your death.
Without money, can you help to poor people and go to the grave? What?
But we love that poor people. That's why we
Speak
spend
up,
money.
bro. Dear, nowadays, no one person go in a grave without money.
But why we go to grave? Because we love. That's why we go.
Okay. Tell me the one person name. You said me the one person name. Now I tell you the most important, most richest person in the Pakistan, Mohammad Mansha. That is, he has a $2.1 billion, and he said that I love my parents, I love my siblings, I love my children, but I want that I prefer that the money is important rather than love.
Because they love his mother and sister and father. That's why he spent money on him.
Oh my God! Tell me the first thing that the love. What is love?
Love is care and likeness of anything.
Oh my God! You didn't know the meaning of love. Tell me, but how you explain that love is important?
Love is important. Love is important in money because without money you can survive. But without love you cannot survive in environment and society.
Okay, you tell me that after some person say that the love is important. Tell me that you said that the one person name. Now tell me the second person name who said that love is important, money is not.
I say that love is important. My whole team said love is important.
Okay, the useless thing that you are explanation yourself, but I want to express yourself that the Pakistani richest people, the two brothers, the Rafiq Habib and the Rashid Habib, he has around about 420 companies, and he said that the $720 billion in it, and he said that we love to each other, but we said that the money is important. That's why we come in the 8th position in Pakistan.
Yeah, money is important. Why money is not because he loves money. That's why he collect this money. If he don't love money, that's why he do not collect money.
Okay, he loves to each other, but he don't have a money, so how can he survive his life? How can he express his love? Oh my God, dear. You said that the love is important. You eat love, you drink love. What is it?
Money is important, but love is more than money because without money you can survive. But without love you cannot survive.
How you can WLP by the taxi, by the auto rickshaw? Nowadays, the person without money can't survive the bus. Bus can. Even donkey cart, you can't survive without money.
Why we come to WLP? Because we want to learn English language. Why? Because we love English language. That's why we come to WLP. And money is nothing of this and this.
Thank you very much. Now the time of voting. Let's really good clap for him. Now the time of voting. He's voting to each other. Please come with Sarwaja and take a camera for him.
Assalamualaikum to all. You know what? This is our second debate, second round. And I want that last debate, you want a voting system, Hawks. In the jury system, I win. But they want the tie. But I don't want a tie this time. The one match remains for my team. And we are played the tremendous and fantastic. And I want that. I restless your vote. Please vote us. Go to Facebook, search on Maseem, space learning, space point, space voting, and just one click on Precious. Don't levels, please. Thank you. Our team name is Precious.
Assalamualaikum, my dear. You saw our performance and I hope you will enjoy it and like it. This is our work and now your work is start. Your work is only for voting us. You can vote us first of all you go on Facebook and select search option and write Maseem space learning space point space voting. Please vote us. Don't forget us. We are voting. We are waiting for your vote. Our team name is Leopard. Leopard. Please vote us.
Now, my great teacher, respectable teacher, is the master of Karachi. A very, very like sir, Tazim Ali. Please come and clap for him.
How was that? Did you enjoy? It's really, really good. I really want to appreciate Mr. Abdul Qadir. Clap for him. Clap for him. Now, as you know that guy, both being a bit of a warning, and you have your word them. If you want to vote them, whoever is your favorite team, you can easily vote them. As you know that procedure voting, in search Wasim Learning Point Space Voting, and whoever is your favorite team, vote them. Thank you very much. Fi amanillah. Bye bye.
Thank you.